at 1258 North Barn Owl for the final walkthrough video of this series. This home is so new. The house cleaner is in there and she's just finishing up, and they just put on most of the screens on the windows just as I was standing here. Oh, perfect timing, just starting to rain. Beautiful, beautiful blue door there. It's got that gray undertone, matches the home. Come on in here, and right to our right we enter the office. Office space with those beautiful double doors with the glass inlay. Look at that. Brings us to the half bathroom right here on the side. Light fixtures complete. Coming down on the mirror. All this was completed. The mirror was hung just yesterday, so you were seeing it for the first time. Got the fireplace, floor to ceiling tile, stone I should say. All the lights around this room feels really bright and open. Everything just came together so nicely in this house. First time I've had the opportunity to have a waterfall island here, with the quartz running up and down on both sides. And in case you were wondering, this, if I can get it, there we go, is a pop-up outlet per code. Thank you, City of Boise. We appreciate that. Not a second too soon, starting to rain there. But it feels super bright, even on this cloudy day. Super bright in here, really warm. Everything is just so tasteful. Coming down on the countertops there. Excellent gas range. I love the backsplash design here. Huge kitchen pantry. Then you got the windows for more natural light. The world's quietest dishwasher. I like the uppers here also, how they have that glass inlay as well. And then these pendant lights, not too dark, not too bright, just the right amount of light onto the island. Okay, into the master bedroom. Walk in, really high recessed ceilings there. Got really bright light in this house. That's one place this house really excels. Ample lighting in all spaces. Huge countertop to ceiling mirror. This thing, it makes the bathroom. Gotta be careful how I film. I don't like being in my own films. Look at that. That is a monster. And walk over here. Got the tub with the dark tile, the window. And look at the view. You're sitting in your tub right here and viewing that hillside view. You know, you can call it a mountain view, but it's not quite mountains. Walk-in shower, dual head. Finally, someone does a shower the right way. Got the alcove there for your soap, your shampoo, and then it's got the step up. No glass door here. There will be no hard water stains in the master. That bathroom will look good forever. Not much to say. It's a room with a toilet. So if you enjoy having a toilet in your house, that's a really nice room. Huge master closet, plenty of space in this closet. I mean, everything about this house is oversized. It's just done really, really well. The other thing I like is the floor-to-ceiling tile on the whole wall on this side, not just in the shower. Again, we have these extra large handles here. You'll see those throughout. Really kind of gives it a elegant feeling on a grand scale. Okay, up the stairs we go. Finally finished the railing here. It's got a little bit darker tone to it, and it is slick looking. Along with this side, same thing. They finished all that wood all the way up. Just really, really well done. Out the windows today. As you can tell, we're kind of between the weird freezing stage, the snowing stage. Everything is coming together. Upstairs bonus room, living room, family room is probably more like the term I'm looking for there. I've only been in this house 800 times. You think I'd have the names down. Again, my client didn't skimp on windows and natural lighting at all. Every room in this house is well lit. Really well lit. In fact, now that they finished this countertop to ceiling mirror, same thing. Plenty of natural light in here. Just an awesome, awesome bathroom. And it sounds like my clients might even be here for this final video. What a rare treat that would be to catch the designer himself in the video. Actually, you probably won't want to be in it. If that is a rental, I'm not sure. So that's the house. It's the finished product. Hello? Going down, checking them out. Oh, perfect. And that is the homeowners, they're here. Getting ready to move in. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this house, evolution of it from start to finish. And stay tuned for the next home.